Hey there, and welcome to ChatGPT AI Mockups for Lighting Pros. If you install Christmas lights, permanent lighting, or even landscape lighting, this is for you. In this short course, I'm going to show you how to use a free tool called ChatGPT to make photo mockups that help you close more jobs. You'll be able to take a regular photo of someone's house, and in about 60 seconds, turn it into a clean, realistic image showing what it would look like with lights installed. It's quick, it's easy, and it can help you look more professional and sell more work. So first, what is ChatGPT? The simple answer, it's like a smart assistant that you can talk to by typing. You ask it questions or give it instructions, and it gives you back answers or helps you create things. Some people use it to write emails, help with quotes, make checklists, or even build training guides. But in this course, we're going to use it to help you make AI mock-up images for your lighting jobs. And the best part? You don't need to know anything about computers or AI to do this. If you can upload a photo and copy and paste a sentence, you can do this. You don't have to be a tech person. You just need to follow a few simple steps, and I'll walk you through them one by one. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use AI to create powerful visuals you can use in quotes, on your website, or even in a quick message to a customer. These mock-ups help people say yes faster, and they make your company stand out. Let's move on to the next lesson.